Let's go. Norell, you want to tell us the heart chambers?
So, this is the right atrium. This is the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle.
Yes. Okay. Great vessels. Brachiocephalic artery. Hang on. That's going to be a little bit harder to see. So aorta is right in here. The superior vena cava is around right here. Okay, so the brachiocephalic artery is an extension of the aortic arch. If we had the full aortic arch here, it would go up and around, and then you'd have a little bit that would stick out, and then that would go up to a different part of the body. Okay, so the pulmonary veins are right here probably because it sticks right into the left atrium. The pulmonary artery is right up here. Goes down into the right ventricle. Okay, moving on to the valves. This should be easy. Okay, do you want to do the valves? Do you know where everything is?
The valves, where would they be? So this is the aortic valve. This is the tricuspid. This is the pulmonary valve, and this is the mitral bicuspid valve.
Okay.
This is the interventricular septum, and this is the interventricular sulcus.
All right. The epicardium is this outer layer around the heart. The myocardium is what's on the inside, and the endocardium is on the very, very inside of the heart.
They are in there.
Papillary muscles are right there. Point to them. There they are. Coordinate tendency connect the papillary muscles along the heart. They're like right in here. If you can see them. I think you can see them better. Oh no, you can't. Never mind. Just cut that part. All right, this is the anterior position. The auricles are on the front here. That's how you know it's anterior. The posterior side is easy to tell because the auricles are facing the other way. You'll also be able to see the interventricular sulcus on the posterior side. The left side of the heart will always have a thicker wall because that's where the left ventricles are. That's what needs to pump blood through the entire body. Cut that. Right side, it'll be much smaller and it'll have thinner walls than the left side. All right, now you can cut. So pulmonary circulation has to do with the pulmonary veins and pulmonary arteries. So the right ventricle will pump blood through the pulmonary artery to the lungs, and then the lungs will go through the pulmonary veins and bring fresh oxygenated blood to the left atrium. Not there. That is the aorta. That is not the right place. It'll be through here to the left atrium. Systemic is blood that's pumped through the body. So that leaves the left ventricle. It goes through the aorta. It goes through the body, and then it comes through the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, and it goes into the right atrium, and then it goes back to. All right, so here we have our deoxygenated blood. All right. Whoa! It goes through the superior vena cava. All right, just pretend it went through. Goes into the right atrium, down through the right atrium, through the tricuspid valve, goes into the right ventricle, and then it goes. Then it goes up through the pulmonary valve, and it goes out of the pulmonary trunk to the lungs, and where it gets oxygenated. Whoa! And then it don't look at me. And then it comes back to the the heart, goes through the pulmonary vein to the left atrium. Then it goes through the bicuspid or mitral valve down to the right ventricle, and then it pumps it through the body by going through the aortic valve into the aorta, and it goes out and it goes whoosh to the body, and then it starts back over with the oh crap! I dropped the bead. Starts back over with the deoxygenated blood coming back to the.
So heart attacks occur because of blood clots in the aorta.
Blockage.
It blocks.
It blocks the blood and the heart backs up.
Okay.